Hello everyone, Cloudbite here. Today I'm not gonna show a game or gameplay related video. This is the first in a series of tutorials for computer related stuff, how to use certain programs, etc. I will not stop doing gameplay videos, this is just a side project. Today we're going to talk about checksums and why they matter. A checksum is a number resulting from running a mathematical function on some file. Sounds geeky, but it is really simple. Here is an example. I wrote a small text in Notepad with just one word, checksum. If I save the file, go to command line and execute a small utility that generates a checksum for bits. For this file, this will happen. As you can see, the resulting number is a long string of characters. You can think of this as the file fingerprints. If we execute the command again, we obtain the same number. However, if we change a single byte of the file, for example, let's add a dot, save it, and run the utility again, we obtain a completely different checksum. Just like there are not two same fingerprints, each and every file can be identified reliably by his checksum. So, what's all of this and why it matters? Let's suppose you want to download a file. For example, Audacity, the sound editor. We go to Google, we type Audacity, and here we found the download page. Audacity for Windows, the installer. Okay, I have already downloaded it, but as you can see, here's the link for the installer, and also there is a link for a signature. A checksum is also sometimes called a signature. If we click on it, we get a set of checksums. These MD5, ASHA1 are the numbers of the different algorithms or formulae that are used to calculate the checksum. So, I have already downloaded the file. We can go check this. I can type this again. I run this. We can see that this checksum for this file matches this checksum. You can see it here. A50F6, A50F6, blah 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 blah, up to 332. By doing this, we can be sure that this is the same file that we intended to download. Okay. However, opening a command box, navigating to the path of the file, then running all of this, it's cumbersome, takes a lot of time. So, what's the alternative? We can download this. The link will be in the description for the video. It's an extension for Windows Explorer that it adds a tab on the file properties that automatically calculates all the checksums for the file. Like this. Here is Audacity. We go to Properties, the tab checksum, and here we can see all the checksums in different formulae or algorithms for this file. If we compare this to this, whoops, we can see they match. MD5 matches with MD5, SHA1 matches with SHA1. With this, we know the file wasn't manipulated on transit and it downloaded correctly. If just a single bit of this file was different from the file served on this web page, the checksum will be completely different, absolutely different. So we know it isn't the file that we were supposed to get from this page. As you can see, it's not very complicated. With this extension, you can easily check that the file isn't corrupted, hasn't been tainted, hasn't been manipulated, and you can know that it downloaded correctly. And that's it. It's just a quick explanation of checksums and their use on file downloads. I hope this was helpful, or at least entertaining. For now, that's it. Cloudlight out. Bye bye.